Hi there, this is Luke with CDL PowerSuite here today to show you the process of integrating your FMCSA TPR account with CDL PowerSuite so that you can streamline your FMCSA submission process. With CDL PowerSuite, we have the capability to integrate your FMCSA TPR account with our system. So this is super simple. All you have to do is go ahead and generate credentials. You'll put in a credential name here. Then you just need to throw in a password, and this is going to be a one-time password that you will only need to use when creating this credential file and when inputting it into CDL PowerSuite. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my password in there, and we're going to go ahead and click download. Now, if you pull up CDL PowerSuite side by side with the Training Provider Registry, this makes it super easy. So you just need to grab this credential file that just downloaded to your computer, input the password that you created for the credential file, and then grab the credential identifier code up at the top here and input that into CDL PowerSuite. And then you'll go ahead and click submit. The next step after you input the credential file is going to be integrating your location. This is super simple. All you have to do is go in here to one of your locations, and you are going to grab your location in the FMCSA TPR. And there is a TPR ID up at the top of your screen, which you would copy and paste and input into CDL PowerSuite. Then you would just want to make sure that your address information is accurate and go ahead and save that. Now that you've inputted your API credential file and your location TPR ID, you are now fully integrated in CDL PowerSuite, and you are able to submit your students' records straight from CDL PowerSuite to the FMCSA. Thank you for watching our video on how to integrate CDL PowerSuite with your FMCSA TPR account. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call. My phone number is 509-508-3438, or you can schedule a meeting with CDL PowerSuite and we would be more than happy to help. I hope you have a great rest of your day.